Sam, where are you going to? They go Auchi. They are going to Auchi. Yes, for my papa's birthday. Come and enter the car. Let me drive. Oh, guy, you go take my time. You go waste my time. Yeah, I don't want anything. We go waste my time. Sam, come and enter the car. I'm going to Auchi. I will drop you. We are going together. You go take my time. I don't understand. I know one many people who rush reach there before me. That means you are in a hurry or what? I'm in a hurry. Can you be faster than this car? Oh, guy, you go take my time. What's the meaning of this? You are carrying empty coolers. What's happening? Oh, you don't know, say, Papa. He don't talk, say, on his birthday. On his birthday, he open restaurant for free food. Yes.
There's a project that God is helping us to start. Mind-blowing project. It has been in my heart. What is the project? A project to have a restaurant, a 12-hour restaurant. From 12 hours, it will metamorphose into 24. A restaurant to feed people free.
It's opening a restaurant for everybody. People where they are abroad, people where they are outside Nigeria, people where they are Auchi, people where they are all over Nigeria. If you are hungry, he say they open that restaurant to feed the nation. Sam, he did not say to feed the nation. He said he's opening the restaurant to feed those that cannot afford food. Those that cannot afford 3 square meals. Whether you feel afford food or you no feel afford food, food where they come from, altar of God, na food for healing, not be ordinary food. So I won't go there with all these coolers. What are you doing with all these empty coolers? You are killing yourself. You are stressing yourself. What's the meaning of all this? I want open food business. You want to go there open food business? I won't go there. I go pack rice for all these coolers. Carry and come back Abuja. Who call open restaurant.
This man,
businessman. I want to rush there so that before people go come, I don't pack food. Who I go use open my restaurant. Oh yeah, come and join me. Okay, you go. Come and join me. Come and join me. You go take my time. You go waste my time. Sam, you think you are wise? You think you are wise? You think you are the only one who is interested in this food? Yeah, you think you are the only one who is interested in this food? We are going to Auchi to also carry food, because out of thy belly shall flow rivers of joy. You know one good thing about Apostle Johnson Suleiman. The Bible says a greater work you shall do. And Jesus, he feed 5,000 people. But Apostle Suleiman, he won't feed the whole nation. Not the only Nigerians, so people from all corners of the world. Happy birthday, Apostle Professor Johnson Suleiman. Papa, now you be headquarters of my restaurant. As I come now, I go pack rice, come the sell of Abuja, pack soup, pack gare, pack and they say happy birthday. Sir, we celebrate you on this special day. Daddy, we celebrate you for this special day. Sam, I also have blender for juice. Daddy, after eating, I will do some fruit juice. I will eat. Then they call them small juice. It's not small juice. It's smoothie. Happy birthday, sir. We celebrate you on this special day. Papa, not only you they do birthday, they give out gift. Not only you they but if you wise. Give Papa anything where you get now. Give him tap from the grace. We'll join the host of heaven and all the people all over the world to celebrate you, sir. Daddy, we love you. We cannot celebrate you enough. Sam, I think I will join you. I don't think this car is faster enough. Let's be going. We are on our way to Auchi, sir, to celebrate you. This year's birthday is
Food for thoughts. The theme of this year birthday is food for thoughts.
Hosanna restaurant, Abuja branch, headed by Sam. Hosanna restaurant, Abuja branch, Namibi manager. Oh God.